Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see completed tasks here in Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in ClickUp, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to view or to see all the completed tasks here in ClickUp is a straightforward process that you can adjust your view settings to display tasks that have been marked as completed. I want you to log into your homepage. Now, this is the one of the tasks that I'm currently working with. I'm going to mark this as completed. All right, just for the sake of this video. I'm going to exit this for now. And when you go to the workspaces, you see, you would be able to see all the completed tasks here. This one's in progress. This one's kind of like doesn't have one. If I'm going to change the status of this one right here, maybe like completed, you can change this to complete and change the color. I click on save. You also have another option here. You see that one? There is kind of like the automate status. You see, for you to be able to have more control on how to see all of the completed tasks here in ClickUp. Like, for example, from any status into the completed or closed. Completed or closed is okay, so already accepted. You can, of course, create a custom field for that. Say, for example, show completed create new field. All right, after doing so, all they have to do is click on create after and putting in the description here. All right, and that's it for today's video. That's how you see all of the completed tasks here in ClickUp. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.